Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to make an announcement. I am invited to try a new cutting machine and the name of this is Loklik Crafters. I didn't receive it yet, but this is an introduction to this product because it's going to be launched soon in this month of October. And I received this envelope with some information that I want to share with you. And inside it has cards that has some information and also a piece of HTV. And inside of this envelope, there is a card and it's a brief introduction to the Loklik machine and also thank you words from the Loklik team for making the review. Then right here in this envelope, there are some stickers that they sent me. And these are vinyl stickers. And I'm going to share with you just the pictures that they printed. And there is a lot related to crafts and drawings of the heat presses from HTV Round and the Loklik machine. And it also has this card with the information of the launching date. Now I'm going to show you some more features of this machine and I will show you with pictures. And this is how Loklik Crafter looks like, and this machine cuts materials up to 12 inches in width. It can be used with a mat or matless with unlimited length. Loklik cuts and draws in different kinds of materials. It has a Bluetooth and USB connection, and you can use it with a free app, Loklik Idea Studio. And Loklik Crafter will be available on Kickstarter on October 25th. And the price is going to start at $99. And you can see the big reveal on Facebook and YouTube on October 25th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time or 7 a.m. Pacific Time. I'm very excited to receive this machine and show you how it works. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions regarding this machine and the features that you want to see in my review. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos every week. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.